guys, and welcome to Shelly's Homemade. And today we're going to be making fried pork chops. Yes, fried pork chops. So, what you will need for this, I have my house seasoning, which is a half a cup. I have 2 eggs and a third of a cup of heavy cream. I have 2 cups of flour in here. We have some salt. We have paprika and cayenne pepper. And we have our pork chops that's been cleaned and is draining in our sink. We have some oil. So, let's get started on this easy recipe. So first thing, we're going to beat up our eggs. And if you know me, you know I like to season both. So we're going to get just a little bit of salt in there. But we're going to put just enough in there. All measurements are in the description box. So I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon in here. Well, 1 and a half. And we're just going to dump all of that in there. Alright. Nothing that. We're going to put a little cayenne. Much as you want to put in there. For a little spice. I didn't want too much spice. Now we're going to put some paprika in here just for color. To color up our little our pork chops to give it that beautiful brown color. So we're just going to mix this together. Mix this together, guys. And once we get this all combined and my grease come up to temp, it's heating up, waiting on me. It's heating itself. It's heating itself. Alright, so we're combining our flour and getting that seasoning so we don't find no pockets of seasoning. Alright. So let's whisk all of this together. Get it combine. Alright, so now I'll show you a trick. So we're going to take our scissors and we're going to clip and twice 2 places, and make sure you get up here in the cut like that. And we're gonna get our egg mixture onto our pork chops like that. Then we're gonna flour up our pork chops like so. Now we're gonna get it in here. Alright, so I'm going to show you again. I'm going to show you a couple times. I'm going to clip where the fat part is twice. Alright, put it around and then shake off that excess. Let's get our flour in there. Because the reason that I season our eggs, because it's the first thing that touches our which is our meat, and we want every part of this that has flavor. So we're going to do one more. Our scissors. Our egg in there. in there, just like that. So we're going to get these fried up, and when it's time to flip, I'm going to come back. Okay guys, so now it's time to flip. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Brown. And see how I didn't, you know how when you fry a pork chop that thing bubble up? See how when I cut that on the side? How that did that? So now we're going to let this thing fry up on the other side, and once it fry up on the other side, I'm gonna get it in the pan and let it drain up, and then I'm gonna finish my pork chops, and then when we come back I'm gonna show you the final product. Alright, so we're back, and I have this these delicious, beautiful pork chops, guys. Look at them, they all fried up. Absolutely delicious. Look at that. A juicy pork chop, guys. Look at that. Like, share, and subscribe. Make you these pork chops. Tell everybody Shelly was in this kitchen making delicious, juicy, fried pork chops, guys. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.